Hello, so I'm here with an unboxing from Buyee. So Buyee is a service where you can purchase items from Japan auctions. For example, I bought an item from Japan, Yahoo Japan auctions, and through Buyee, it's an international service. It easily translates all the information in English, so it's easier to purchase as well. So I bought Beast Guess Who Japanese album through Buyee, and so it took around like 2 weeks after the auction ended. After the auction ended, it took 2 weeks to arrive at the Buyee office in Japan, and then they sent me a notification to pay the shipping. So there's a 300 yen domestic fee from the seller to Buyee's office, and then there's additional fee to ship from their office to where you live. So altogether, it's a bit pricey if you kind of calculate all the shipping fees. So I'm probably not going to use it again, but I just wanted to show you how the packaging looks like. This is for just like a small, thin album. So you might get a bigger package, a bigger packaging material if you buy more items. So this is SAL, kind of like the cheapest option for registered mail. And just comes in this large envelope, this large paper envelope. And so here's the album. It comes wrapped in kind of really thin bubble wrap, so it's not that good of a protection. Yeah, it only comes in one layer of bubble wrap. So this is a unsealed Beast Guess Who album, and I bought it with Doojoon's Photocard. Just because Doojoon is my bias in Beast. Okay. So these pictures come kind of like a collage, where you can kind of put together. And they're kind of like papery, like cardboard papery feel. And it's kind of thin. I bought this album because I really like all of these Japanese singles, and they decided to release it all together in an album. So I really like all the songs here. I especially like Stay Forever Young. I guess it was a really good song as well. It's a CD. And it comes in kind of like this like plasticky case to protect it. And then the second one is the other picture, and then we have guess who? Yeah. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I'll be unboxing more albums in the future. So yeah. Thank you, bye.